Morning, my lovely students. My name is Sumaya Al-Madr. I'm an English teacher from Palestinian schools in Qatar. Today I present for you period 6 from unit 7, page 11. Okay, now I want you to open your books, page 11, please. Okay. Activity 1. Look at the groups of words in the table, then do the text. Number 1, cross out the words that does not fit each group. Number 2, find and add another word from the passage on pages 4 and 5 that fits. Now you will read this table and you will try to circle the odd words. Then you will back to the text in page 4 and 5 and try to replace these odd words with the correct word from text. Okay, we have the first one is already done. I will read it for you. We have continents: Asia, Canada, Europe, and Africa. Here the odd sound word is Canada. We replace it with Africa. Now column 2, yes, it is regions. The column 3, measurements. Column 4, EST, superlative adjectives, and column 5, archaeological remains. I will give you 3 minutes in order to answer this table. Start, please. Now let's check your answers. Number 1, religions. We have church, Christianity, and Judaism. The odd one is, yes, it's the church. Number 2, measurement. We have centimeters, liters, and kilometers. The odd one is, yes, it is liters. Number 3, superlative adjectives. We have lowest, highest, and waist. The odd one is waist, yes. And number 5, archaeological remains. We have Chinese, Byzantine, and Canaanites. The odd one is Chinese. Now let's replace these odd words with correct ones. Religions, we can replace it with, yes, Islam. Measurement, we can replace it with, yes, we have here, we should meter. Superlative, oldest, and archaeological, we can replace it with, yes, Romans. Yes. Okay. Now you have 1 minute in order to check your answers and try to correct the mistakes of them. Let's go to activity to complete the sentences with the words from activity 1. You have 5 words. You will try to complete them with the words from activity 1. Start, please. Now let's check our answers. Number 1, Jerusalem is a holy city. That is 3 great words. Religions, yes, Islam, Judaism, and Christianity. Number 2, there are 10 millimeters in 1, yes, centimeters, and there are 100 of these in 1 meter. Number 3, Turkey is a country that it's mostly in, yes, in Asia, but is also partly in Europe. Number 4, the earliest remains here are, yes, Canaanite, but later we have Roman remains, and more recently again we have discovered a complete Byzantine floor. Okay. Number 5, Jericho is not the largest city in Palestine, but it is the, yes, the oldest and the holiest city in the whole world. You have 1 minute in order to check your answers and try to correct the mistakes of them. Okay, my lovely students, now let's go to the third activity. Work in pairs, complete and write out useful adjectives for describing places. Now you have 2 minutes in order to find the missing letters in each word. Start, please. Okay, my lovely. Let's check our answers. Number 1 is yes, it is beautiful. Number 2, yes, it is important. Number 3, yes, great. 4, golden. 5, wonderful. 6, lovely. 7, ancient. 8, famous. 9, large. And 10, yes, enormous. Now you have 2 minutes in order to check your answers and correct the mistakes of them. Okay, now let's go to activity 4. Describe cities in Palestine. Use the adjectives from activity 3. Number 1 is done. Here we have Jerusalem is a great city. Number 2, Hebron is full of, yes, excellent. Well done, great buildings. Okay, you can use any adjective, any suitable adjectives to complete these sentences. For example, you can use Hebron is full of wonderful buildings, great buildings, enormous buildings. It's up to you. Okay. Now let's go to activity 5. Complete the sentences. Create new words with re and the words in brackets. Now we will add the prefix re and to the word in the brackets. We have I will read the first example for you. For example, number 1, the house is too old to repair. We should completely, we have built, it's become rebuild it. Now I will give you 2 minutes in order to complete the sentences from 2 to 6. Okay, let's check your answers. Number 1, they decorated the living room very badly. They'll have to repaint it. Number 2, the floods destroyed our young crops. So we had to replant them. Okay, number 4, thanks for lending me this money. I'll repay it on Saturday. Number 5, the Muslims lost the city in one battle, but they recaptured it a year later. Number 6, Mazen can't come to the meeting, so let's reschedule it for next week. Okay, my lovely students, now you have 2 minutes in order to check your answers and try to correct the mistakes of them. Okay, now I will come to end my class. Thank you for your attendance. I hope you get benefit from this lesson. Thank you very much. See you soon.